Hello guys, welcome to KINGSCEL. My name is Kingsley and I am the founder and CEO of KINGSCEL. KINGSCEL is one of the best web hosting companies in Ghana. We are focused on providing the fastest and secured cloud hosting in the industry. Now at KINGSCEL we provide our clients with a 20% discount with a free lifetime domain on each hosting account that you purchase. To get a free lifetime domain, you need to purchase a hosting account with us. Okay, so you can't just be like you want just a free domain just like that. No, we don't provide that. So if you want a free domain, you select a hosting account with us, and then you get a free lifetime domain. Now, free lifetime domain applies to .com, .net, and then .org. Okay, so this tutorial is basically going to demonstrate how you can sign up with us, with the service. So before we go into that, let's talk about some of the tools and softwares that we use. Alright, so first of all, we talk about Cloud Linux. Now, Cloud Linux allocates dedicated server resources to each hosting account. What it does is that it puts a fence around each hosting account. So whatever happens within a hosting account stays within a hosting account. That is it. Now, Lightspeed is the web server that we use. There are so many web servers out there: Lightspeed, Apache, and etc. Apache is the most used web server, but Lightspeed is the best for security and speed. Okay, it doubles your maximum capacity and securely handles thousands of concurrent processes whilst consuming minimal memory CPU. In a nutshell, what it means is that Lightspeed can handle a lot of load. When a huge number or a huge traffic visits your website, it is able to handle that pressure. But Apache, on the other hand, is not really capable of doing that, especially with WordPress. There are over 60% of websites on the internet now is being powered by WordPress, and WordPress has a lot of resources. A lot of resources are being loaded when you have a WordPress website. Going forward, we have the Cloudflare with Rogan feature. With Cloudflare is a global content delivery network, and it also has security features for DDoS and all that. What Cloudflare does is that it sits between your website and your visitors, or it sits between our servers and then your visitors. So whenever your visitors come to your website, or they input your domain.com, or they come to your website, the request goes through Cloudflare before it gets to our server. Now, Cloudflare has a lot of servers around the world. So many servers around the world in different countries. Now, this is what it does. It caches your static contents, your website's static contents onto their servers across the globe. So wherever someone is, and that person is visiting your website, no matter the country he's from, the resources or the website is being served to that person from the closest Cloudflare server. Therefore, speed is improved over here. We also talk about the Rogan feature. The Rogan feature is a feature that speeds up the communication between our server and Cloudflare. So whatever goes on between our servers and then the Cloudflare, Rogan helps speed it up. The action that goes on between the fetching and sending, the request that goes on between that is what the Rogan feature does. Now, the Rogan feature is not found in the Cloudflare, the free Cloudflare plan. If you want the Rogan feature, you need to have the business plan or the enterprise plan with Cloudflare. But over here, we offer that for free. We get that for free. The Rogan feature is for free. Moving on, we have Immunify 360. Immunify 360, identifies attacks on servers in real time, blocks potentially malicious executions automatically, and then with zero latency. If you're a web designer or you've been in the web hosting industry for a very long time, you should know that this is the best security plugin or security tool for each hosting, for any web hosting. This is what we use for malware detection and prevention. One of the best security tools in the industry. So these are the top 4 softwares for security and speed that we utilize at KINGSCEL. You can equally Google about them and learn more about them, and you get to know that yes, we are the top notch. We are providing top notch hosting services in Ghana. Now, wherever you are in the world, whether you are in Africa or any part of the world, you can equally patronize our services. We also offer Lightspeed Cache, a free. We offer it. It's a free premium cache plugin that we offer to our clients. If you purchase a hosting account with us and you are going to use WordPress, you get a free premium. It's a premium cache plugin. That's the Lightspeed Cache, because we are on the Lightspeed web server. Imagine the Lightspeed web server plus the Lightspeed Cache. This is from the same company. Two different products from the same company. That is going to improve a lot of on your website, like in terms of speed and security. All right, so as I said earlier on, this tutorial is about how you can sign up with us and enjoy some of the benefits with us. So for tutorial purposes, we are going to use the ultimate package. This is the most recommended package for all clients. This is what most people purchase. So this is what I recommend for anybody at all. You need to take this package. All right, so you select this package. It takes you to the domain page. Over here, you need to select the domain that you want. So we are just going to input any domain over here. One second. You can select any type of domain you want, but to get a free lifetime domain, it has to be a .com, .net, or .org. Okay, these are the only three that we offer. You can see there's a price here. All right, because it's the domain page, so there's a price here. But don't worry, when you get to the checkout page, it is going to be applied, the free domain. You can even see it's written over here. Free domain registration applies to the following extensions only: .com, .net, and then .org. So let's continue. All right, this page, this is the billing cycle. This tells you 12 months. What it means is that you are going to be paying each year. Like, it is going to be renewed each year. You're not going to be paying for every month, but then rather each year. That's the 12-month price. We also offer offsite backups. What it means is that we have partnered with an external service provider, a backup service provider. Okay, so over here we have two types of backup. We have the free backups that we provide to all our clients, no matter who you are. As soon as you sign up to our services, our hosting services, you get a free backups. That is daily and then weekly. That one we provide for each and every client of ours. Going forward, in the web hosting industry, if you are a web designer and you've been hosting websites for a very long time, you should know that backups are very essential. And then you can never have enough backups. That is the truth. If you have just one backup, one source of backup, that is not really good. You should have at least two or three. So we are offering our clients this external backup. Now, this backup service is outside our network, so it is going to be stored outside our network. Like a different service provider. But the backup service that we offer free for our clients, it's within our network. So should in case our services or our service goes down, in case, God forbid, if any disaster or of that sort happens, we are still going to lose our backups. But this offsite backups helps you, it stores to a different provider outside our network. Therefore, your website is going to be saved. This is a feature that I really recommend to others. It's optional, but I recommend. So let's continue. All right, so this is the domains configuration page. DNS management. It's what we call a premium DNS hosting, like external DNS hosting. It's similar to the external offsite backups, but with this one, your DNS services are going to be hosted on a different service provider. So it's going to help speed up your your website and all that. But you don't really need to care about this, because I don't recommend it to people, because our services are really fast. Our servers are really fast and everything. We have you covered. You don't need this. It's optional, but it's up to you. But this is what I recommend. ID protection. It's what some people call WHOIS protection. When you purchase a domain with us, okay, or when you sign up with a domain with us, your details are going to be used to register the domain, and these details are going to be public. They are public information. It's everywhere. It is stored in what we call the WHOIS database. if someone wants to know, or if someone wishes to know who owns this domain, or who's the administrator for this domain, it is easily it is displayed public. It is public information, so anyone can find that information. So your email and your personal information are going to be displayed public, and I don't think anyone wants that. So in order to hide that information, you need ID protection. So it's one of the best I recommend for anybody at all. Let's continue. All right, so this is the checkout page. You can see you're hosting your cloud, or your ultimate cloud package is here. Your domain is free, right? 0.00 per year. Renewed 0.00. Every year it's going to be renewed. Now over here we don't there are no extra charges. Whatever you pay for, on your first purchase is the same amount you are going to be renewing at yearly. So in order to get a 20% discount, you need to actually input the code. That is KINGS20. Don't worry guys, I'm going to include this code in the description below. Alright, so promotion code accepted. Congratulations, your order total has been updated. Alright, so you can see here the subtotal, which is 348. That is the actual total. But here's the discount, 20% one-time discount. So it has been applied. And you can see it's here. Let's get to the checkout. Alright, so this is where you enter your details. Your first name. Alright, for test purposes, let's put in any random details. But you actually need to input the correct details here, because you need this information to register your domain, and there will be a confirmation email sent to your email for you to confirm. So it is very necessary you put in the right details here. But for just test purposes, for demonstration purposes, we are just put in any random email here. Your phone number, your street. If you are in Ghana, let's say Accra, right, or Tema, or anywhere. Accra, Greater Accra. Okay, and sorry about this. This is the postcode. If you're in Ghana, it's 233. And then password. Okay, so this password is going to when you sign up with us, okay, you are going to be given a client area for you to manage your hosting account, and then your domains and hosting, like all the products that you have with us. You're going to be getting a client area, so you can manage all these products one by one. So you need to set the password for that client area. Okay, so the next time if you want to purchase additional service, you don't need to go through this process. You just have to log into your client area and then purchase from there. All right, so hold on a second. Right, so you need to choose a security question. This helps you when you want to reset in future. If you forget your password and you want to reset your password, the system is going to need help, identify who you are, like an extra thing. So put in the right info and make sure you don't forget. All right, so if you're in Ghana, I'm sure most Ghanaians like to pay with mobile money. Okay, if you feel like you want to pay with your Mastercard or your Visa card, that is the credit card. So it is already selected. All right, let's complete the order. All right, so this is the payment page. So if you're outside Ghana, or you're in Ghana and you wish to pay with your Visa or Mastercard, you can go forward and use these details. But as I know, I am very sure, most of our clients from Ghana pay with mobile money. So let's go with mobile money. So while you select the network, if it is MTN, you select Airtel or Vodafone, you select. You input the number and then you click on pay. It's going to bring out an instruction, for you to continue with your mobile money account. So the moment you are done, everything is automated. The moment you are done, the payment is reflected automatically, instantly, and then your account is created instantly with no delays. So basically, right after this page, the moment you click on this and then you are done with your your mobile money account, you enter your mobile money account information, and then you proceed. In less than 1 minute, your account is going to be set up. Yes, because everything is automated here at KINGSCEL. So right after here, let's. I'm going to cancel this. So, but this is your client area. This is the dashboard. So this is what you're going to see. Um, After payment, you will notice that the services will be one and then your domains will be one. So if you have let's say multiple domain hosting accounts with us, let's say you have five hosting different five hosting accounts with us, they are going to be listed here, five services. And if you have let's say three domains, they're going to be listed here, three domains. So you can manage it. There are a whole lot of stuff you can do here. So this is it. This is how you get it done. Right, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos. We are going to be making a lot of videos, tutorial videos, to show you, to demonstrate to you how you can best utilize our services and products.